Hey y'all, Scott Ferguson here, Things Like That. Today, on Just Add Water, we're going to talk about the need for a waterfall in your pond. Stay tuned. Alright y'all, so for my pond, I use a fish pump. It's a 300 gallon an hour marine land. You know, it's for like a 75 gallon fish tank, 100 gallon fish tank. It's a multi-stage filter. It picks up particles and has some ammonia bags in it to break down some of the chemicals from the fish waste. But I've got a pump down in the pond that pushes up extra water, and then I pump it back out into a waterfall. All right, y'all. So what I've got is I've got the pump, the hose going into this rock with a hole in it. And then I have this fake plant, and you see the water's coming out pretty hard, and it splashes out everywhere. So I position it so it breaks up the water. And you notice that there's bubbles down here now. And if I pull it away, the bubbles go away. So, in effect, you got to get it set just right. So when I agitate the water, it puts air in it, and the fish breathe air. So I've also got a bubbler down here. So they work in tandem together. The water comes down out of here. The water gets oxygenated when it hits the rock and the plants. It runs over the bacteria on the rock, the algae, and then it goes down. Now the bubbler in the middle, the bubbles are pushing water up, so I get a current. So the water goes down off the rocks, down to the bottom of the fish tank, and then the water pushes it up. So I get a little bit of that going on, like the oceans on the earth. They do the same thing. So in the summertime, the falling water, the wind blows on it, and some of the heat from the pond comes out of the water. In the wintertime, I put the bubbler under my heater, and it pushes the warm water up. So right now it's summertime, and I have the bubbler over here. Now I just leave the heater in the pond all year round, otherwise I'll break it or lose it or something. So just leave it in there. The fish are used to it. And so wintertime, bubbler's under the heater. Summertime, the bubbler's off to the side. So what that does again is it creates oxygen, it creates flow, a current, and the fish like a current. It just makes it feel more natural for them. So let's go ahead and feed these guys and see if they're hungry. Well, I'm really surprised the koi didn't come up. We've got one big koi down there. I say big, he's about 10 inches. And he didn't come up for food. I don't know. I really wanted y'all to see him. He's beautiful. Well, guys, Scott Ferguson here. Things Like That. Just Add Water. Why you need a waterfall. Y'all take care. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned.